you want to tell the people what happened at TK Maxx?
Got
stood by the door for about half an hour because I get
shoplifting.
No, my shoes kept beeping. Got a couple things in there I'll show you later. Now we're gonna get some burgers. And by the way, this is how you normally see him, just on his phone. Doesn't actually talk to me, he just does this. I'm hungry. Why is that such an amazing sound?
It is very satisfying.
Very. And these are also like perfectly square cube ice. Thank you. Oh no, oh no.
You're supposed to put that angle.
I did.
You've got a lemon.
Do you know, I really like flat coke.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. But Curtis does too.
It's good for a hangover.
He shakes his coke.
It's really good for a hangover.
Why?
I think someone's telling me it's good, like.
I thought fizz
Coke
was good for hangover.
Oh, maybe.
Because it like settles your stomach, the fizz. Or does it irritate? Does it the opposite? It irritates.
Nothing gets rid of the hangover. Actually,
It does. Getting out and doing something like fresh air does. It helps
drinking
you. And
water,
a shower.
Water before you go to bed.
And having a shower the next day helps.
And someone said if you drink Diarrhelite.
What's that?
Diarrhelite is what you take when you have like diarrhea. It's like that powder.
I get diarrhea when I'm hungover.
It's not for that. It restores all the nutrients to your body. It's like a trick.
Oh.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried those hangover patches? I want to try one day.
But
See what they do. And I want to try an IV one day too.
Yeah, I want to do that. The quickest way, the best way not to get hangover is every time you have a drink of something, have a glass of water with it.
That's never going to happen. The amount of drinks we drink on a night out. I'll be bloated by the amount of water we'd have to drink at the same time. We are going to watch Elf. I'm a tad hungover. And we are going to watch Elf and have a cozy day in. Either of us have actually never watched Elf. So, it's going to be quite an exciting moment. I did also want to watch Jingle, but we're saving that one for Christmas Day.
It's just like any old salad they got.
Cucumber! This is just one chicken select on top of some salad leaves. But I do love chicken select.